Here are two indicators on review and how to trade them and attach them to your trading chart. If you like these indicators, you can download them from my website with a link in the description. So the first indicator we're going to add to the chart is one that I've reviewed on this channel before. It's the multi-time frame moving average. We'll just add it to our list. We drag it onto the chart. We're going to set the time frame to 1 day with a 20 simple and close price. Click OK, and there we go. So whenever price is below the blue line, we will look to sell, and whenever the price is above the blue line, we will look to buy. The second indicator we're going to add, and a new one to this channel, is called the tether line. We're going to drag it onto the chart again, and we're going to keep the default settings. The only thing I do like to do here is just change the colours because they seem slightly the wrong way around. The red I would associate with a sell, but actually it's to buy. And the blue we're going to change to a red because the red is highlighting a sell. So here we go. And it's quite a simple and straightforward little strategy. So the red line is indicating a sell, and of course when price is below the blue line, that's exactly what we want to do, is sell. Now here's an example of a trade that failed already. It's indicating to sell, and it's broken below the blue, the red line, and of course it's below the blue line, the 1 day moving average. So you would sell here, and you would set the stop loss at no more than 50 pips. This looks like it would be around between 25 and 30 pips stop loss. So we would look at a 2-to-1 ratio, so we're looking at between a 500 and 600 pip profit. Of course, price doesn't come anywhere near that, and it stops you out and you've made a loss. We're only going to highlight a few examples of how to trade this strategy because we want to keep the video fairly short. Here again, price is below the 1 day moving average, and here again, not only does the line turn red, but price is below the red line. You would set your stop loss at no more than 50 pips. This happens to be about 45, so we're looking for 90 pip profit, and that's easily reached down here. So that would be a lovely win. Here again, price is below the 1 day moving average and below the line when it turns red. Now right up here would be a 65 pip stop loss, which is too much for my risk tolerance. There is two ways to do this. You can set the stop loss just above the red line. Here it would be, let's say, 15 pips, but you might want to go to 250 pips. So we're looking at a 50 pip take profit, which again we hit quite nicely down there. Here again, price is below the 1 day moving average, and it's below the red line when it turns red. Your stop loss would be about 30 pips, and we're looking for a 60 pip take profit. Oof, we just about hit it down here, so that's quite nice. Here's just another quick example, one more example of a failed trade. Price is below the 1 day moving average and below the red line when it changes colour. Right up here would be 80 pip stop loss, That's too much for my risk tolerance, so I'm going just above the red line at say 20 pips. We're looking for a 40 pip take profit, which it doesn't hit, and so it would be a small losing trade. So 2 small losing trades and 2 nice large wins. As you can see, you will experience a few losing trades, but they will be relatively small compared to your 2-to-1 take profit. So hopefully you like these indicators. If you do, then feel free to visit my website. The link is below in the description. Let me know if you want to practice with these indicators and how successful or not successful you find them. Thank you very much.